Have you ever tried an app and think, wow, this is amazing, it's gonna change everything, but the results actually looks like a child's drawing? Yeah, that was me in the early days of AI image tools. I've tried so many AI image tools, from the legendary Midjourney to Stable Diffusion, DALL-E to Leonardo. Some good results, most nothing to drive home with. Let's just say funny results. But there is this one tool that actually blew up my mind. Nano Banana. Don't blame me, I don't give the name. Sounds like fruit smoothie, right? But it's actually an amazing tool. Let's first get to setup first, because even this basic step could be headache to so many people. Go to gemini.google.com. I'm going to pull the Flash 2.0 model because that is the model we are going to be using to generate our images. And then I'll click on the tools drop down menu under the prompt box and select create images. Over here, you have your chat history, and on the left, you have your chat window. To upload your reference images, just click on this plus sign over here and then select upload files. You can now pick a file from your computer and then click upload. In my days of testing all of these AI image tools, I usually type prompts like, give me a man with a car. The AI gave me terrible results, like my head was copied and pasted on someone else's photo. That was when I started searching. Then I found this 6-step AI image prompt formula: character, action, setting, camera setting, lighting, and detail. Believe me, if carefully applied, this formula will perform magic with Nano Banana. So instead of a dog in the park, I'll say a golden retriever. Character, running through autumn leaves. Action, in a city park at sunset. Setting, shot with a DSLR camera. Camera set, camera style. Warm golden light. Lighting, wet nose in focus. Background softly blurred. Detail, and boom, hit that send button. Let me show you how this works in real life. An area where Nano Banana really shines is product photography. I once tested a prompt for a water bottle art without adding details, and the result looks like a stock image from 2004. And here's the same prompt with added details. Premium glass water bottle placed on polished marble, dramatic spotlight from above, condensation on surface, cinematic product art style. And boom, the sharpness plus the texture makes it look like a high budget commercial. Our next use case for today is personal branding. For profile pictures, I use posters, expression, and camera type. This is the prompt we are going to use for this particular use case. Confident young entrepreneur, smiling warmly, modern office background, shot on photo film with natural light. It gives you authenticity and not just a flat shot. Another great use case of Nano Banana is in real estate and architecture. When prompting for this particular use case, I always include environment. Let's try this prompt. Modern villa with floor-to-ceiling windows, golden hour sunlight, cool reflection, wide angle lens. The light makes the building inviting, not cold. You can also use Nano Banana for travel and landscape photography. In this case, prompt it like this. Smoke-capped mountain, soft pink down sky, clear lake reflection, foreground rocks for depth. This prompt give that magazine cover quality. Let's try one more: street photography. Here I'll say candid moment of friends laughing, soft afternoon light, textured street walls in background, imperfect but natural. That little imperfection sells authority. Nano Banana is a great tool. What makes it different from all the other image generators out there is its ability to edit all photos. What used to be possible only with so many years of experience in Photoshop can now be done by my 10 years old son. Let me break it down for you. If you simply say smooth skin, the AI will overdo it and you look like a plastic mannequin. So instead, guide it clearly. I'll type a prompt like refine skin texture, keep natural poses and character lines, brighten eyes slightly, and boom, here you go. A beautiful retouch photo like it was done by an experienced Photoshop professional. These keep the photo authentic, polished, but still human. Think of it like makeup for photos, enhancement, not transformation. This is my favorite, or still everybody's favorite. You can change casual t-shirt into professional suits or even experiment with fashion. But here's the trick. Specify how the clothes should behave. Add a leather jacket, natural fabric fold, correct body proportion, light reflections consistent with subject. Without these descriptions, the AI sometimes give clothes that look painted or the wrong size. Many beginners just type, replace background with office. But think about it. Objects blend in their surroundings, the shadows, the lightings, the colors. So if you just change the background, your images look fake with mismatched shadows and funny lightings. Here's a better approach. Replace background with modern office. Maintain objects' natural lighting and shadows. Seamless edges. Now the object looks like they were actually photographed in that office. That one line about maintain shadows make all the difference. Atmosphere changes the mood of an image. Adding morning mist, golden sunlight, soft falling snow gives the image a story. For example, a normal forest photo becomes magical with add light morning mist, soft rays of sunlight filtering through trees, enhance depth, and suddenly it feels like a scene from a movie. Sometimes there's just something in the way: a pole, a trash can, a person in the background. Instead of only saying remove pole, say remove pole, replace with matching tree barks and continuous forest background. Why? Because AI doesn't just delete, it feels. If you don't tell it how, it might invent something random that doesn't fit. Sometimes I wish someone had told me this earlier. Good prompts aren't just about creativity, it's about structure. When I first started, I wasted hours copying random prompts from YouTube, Facebook comments. Sometimes they worked, most of the times they didn't. I felt like I was throwing that in the dark, hoping for one good image out of 10. That was how I went about building my own system, my prompt vault, what I now call now my prompt pack. You see, prompt pack is like an AI command center. In prompt pack, I organize prompt into a catalog, portrait, product, landscape, branding, you name it. If you are interested in photography, prompt pack will save time because you don't have to start from zero all the time. Prompt pack keeps tested prompts that actually works, not random guesses. Best of all, the prompts are flexible. You can adopt the framework to any project, art, social media post, client work, or your own creative experience. I want you to think of it this way. Instead of Googling recipes every night, you rather have a cookbook of meals you already love. Prompt Pack is that cookbook in AI visuals. And here's the fun part. Once you combine Nano Banana with Prompter, you know exactly what you're going to get for the output. Professional, consistent results that save hours. If you are a business, your clients will actually love it. Imagine pairing that with AI video tools. First, you generate the perfect image with Nano Banana and Prompter. Then you bring that to life with motion, voice, storytelling. That's the future of content creation. And you already be ahead because you've got both the framework and the library ready for use. The next step for you is simple. Don't just collect random prompts. Start building or borrowing a structured system like Prompter. That's how you go from experimenting to creating professional results on demand. Here's the challenge. Don't just watch this and move on. Pick 3 prompts today and apply the 6-point visual formula and see what you create. If you are in business, start with product shot. If you are building a personal brand, try a professional portrait. If you love traveling, make the landscape that feels like a poster. And remember, you don't need to reinvent the wheel all time. That's why I built Prompter. So I could keep my best prompt in one place, reuse them, and adapt them for any project. You can do same. Think of it as building your own creative toolbox. The future of visual creation is here, and you already have the blueprints. Now is the time to put it into practice. Subscribe for more AI learning strategy. Comment below, what types of images do you want me to break down next? Art, portrait, travel shot, and if you want to see how I organize everything, check out Prompter. I will leave the link below.